The Supreme Court on Thursday banned the NCERT's latest political science textbook for Class 8th, calling the contents of one chapter a calculated attempt to erode the credibility and prestige of the judiciary. A three-judge bench of Chief Justice Surya Kant, Justice Joymala Bagchi and Justice Vipul M. Pancholi ordered the immediate removal of the chapter from all physical and digital platforms. It directed authorities to seize printed copies already in circulation. The court barred any teaching from the book. It imposed a blanket prohibition on its production and distribution and issued a show cause notice to the centre and the NCERT chief seeking an explanation. When the hearing began, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta informed the court that the NCERT has already withdrawn the textbook and apologized. But the CJI observed that the statement issued by the NCERT did not contain any apology. At the heart of the controversy is a chapter that referred to corruption at various levels of the judiciary, warned that such corruption can weaken access to justice, stated that misconduct cases have dented public confidence, flagged massive case backlogs across courts, and noted that instances of corruption within the judiciary have surfaced in the past. After sharp observations from the Supreme Court, the Union Education Minister expressed regret.
ये अत्यंत चिंताजनक है। हमारे सामने ये जब संज्ञान में आया, हमने उसको तुरंत एनसीईआरटी को सारे किताबों को विड्रॉ करवाया और इसमें जो आज माननीय न्यायपालिका ने, सर्वोच्च न्यायपालिका ने जो टिप्पणी दिया है वो हमारे लिए मान्य है। सरकार उसके प्रति दायित्ववान है। मैं उसके लिए खेद प्रकट करता हूँ।
The Supreme Court's sweeping ban has ignited a larger constitutional debate. One group argues that this is an attempt to discredit and weaken a key constitutional institution. Critics question whether the court has shown equal urgency in responding to earlier controversies involving textbooks revisions. Bureau Report, India Today.